thumbnail. That's what it was. The thumbnail. Thought of it. Anyways. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are going to be doing an unboxing today. This box has been sitting in the office for like 2 weeks. Of course, I've like dug little stuff out of it here and there because I couldn't wait to use it. But I'm finally unboxing it, getting this on film, because you guys, this is like, I have some major favorites in this box, okay? I cannot wait to share this with you. So let's go ahead and let's dive into this thing, okay? Okay, you guys, so skincare. You guys know I rant and rave about Farmasi skincare. Like, it is to die for. I mean, like, hello? It's to die for, literally. Okay, so Age Reversist line for the skincare, they came out with a couple new items, which I am literally obsessed with. Like, you guys know I give honest reviews. I am obsessed with this stuff. This is what I've been using for my nighttime skincare routine. So this one right here is the exfoliating cleanser. I really, really love it because it's like, it's just a really fine exfoliant. And I have honestly been using it every night. I don't know if you're supposed to use it every night, but I have been, and oh my God, like between this and these two other things, hold on, this stuff, oh my God, you guys, let me just show you this. This is the Age Reversist. Like, look at how pretty that cap is, okay? Like, this is what the cap looks like. It looks like a perfume bottle, okay? So this is the Beauty Essence. This is the tonic, okay? So it's like basically a toner, and you just like spritz it over your face. I love that it's in a spray bottle. So like the other tonics and toners and stuff, they're in a regular bottle where you like pour it on a cotton pad, something like that. I love that this is like so fancy and it's like in a sprayer. But it smells phenomenal, and I feel like my pores have never been like more non-existent. I don't know, maybe it's in my head, but I feel like my pores are shrinking, okay? And then this stuff right here, you guys, this is like heaven in a jar. Heaven in a jar, I kid you not. Like, this is the all night beauty mask for the Age Reversist line, and it smells just like the tonic, and oh my God, like I can't even describe it. It just smells like super high-end, classy. Like, I know that sounds ridiculous, it's skincare, but that's what it smells like. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. So it's almost like a clear, kind of like gel-like consistency, but like when I put it on my face and once it dries, like, I don't know, I swear I call it like Botox in a jar because like my face feels tight after I use it. I'm like, ha. So if you are looking for something really good that's like, it's either preventative or you're looking for like an anti-aging type like skincare line, I kid you not, you guys, like hands down, it's my favorite. Anyways, all right, moving on. Those are my 3 favorite new things with the Age Reversist line. And then, so Farmasi also released 2 new skincare lines, an acne line and an aqua line. I didn't get the acne line just because I splurged on like the Age Reversist and this line. I got like all of the things with this line. So this is the aqua line, okay? So I haven't done a whole lot of like reading up on it, so I'm not gonna like claim to know everything about this line, but what I can say is I did use it for the first time this morning, and it made my face feel very like hydrated without feeling heavy. It was all very light. Nothing felt like greasy, anything like that. I don't know. It just felt very hydrating. So I think this is going to be my new like daytime, what I'm going to use in the daytime, and then Age Reversist at night. That's kind of going to be my go-tos, I think. So I did get the cleanser. I also got the serum, which is like, it's in like a little like droplet dropper type thing. And I just put a couple dots over my face and just kind of like work that in. Let's see. I still even use the Age Reversist tonic before I like after washing my face with this, I still use the Age Reversist tonic because I'm just obsessed with it. But anyways, this one does have an eye cream with it specifically for this line too. And then the hydrating cream So all of it is very, very lightweight, and I'm kind of obsessed. Sorry, I'm like a skincare fanatic now, and it's funny because I used to be that person that would go to bed with their makeup on and like wake up and just pile more on. Wash my face like a couple times a week. It was terrible. Oh my gosh, but yeah, I'm a fanatic now. So, a couple other things that I did get in this order here. I had to stock up on my my laundry detergent. I know, boring, right? Laundry detergent, but you guys, this stuff smells phenomenal. I just love the like how fresh and clean it makes our laundry smell. And there is even like, this one is for darks and colors. And then this one is for whites, to keep your whites more like brighter. You guys, I have some exciting stuff in this order, okay? I'll show you a couple incentive things before I get to the last two things here that are really good that I'm really excited about, okay? But the incentive things that came in this order, cute little pharmacy bag. And then also a little calendar here. And you guys, like, how cute are these? Look, they're like those kind of silicone like stretchy band type things. And let's see here. Isn't that cute? I think they're so cute. And then on the other side it's Be Well. So I'm just gonna put that on right now. I'm just gonna put it on. There we go. Okay, another incentive. You guys, this was an incentive. Like, this got earned because of like a certain level that I hit, okay? Like completely like free, okay? It's free. This whole set, the Pure Rose set, like all of this, the Pure Rose like tonic, the face wash, the serum, oh my God, the face cream, the bar soap, you guys, all of this, it's all in this box. And it's like a nice little like magnetized box. Like, I just love the incentives. The incentives are great. Oh my gosh, I get so giddy over the incentives. Anyways, I did order this finally, the Calendula face and body oil. Just because I'd heard people like rant and rave about it, so I was like, okay, I need to order this and just see what it's all about, right? So this is what it looks like. It is in this like droplet type thing, so you just squeeze that. And then as you can see, that's the bottle there. So then when you unscrew this, maybe, there we go. So this is the droplet thing that it is in, okay? It doesn't really have a strong scent. It's very light scented. But you guys, I have seen this stuff in conjunction with the Calendula balsam. I have seen it work wonders on just multiple different things. So I'm just excited to try it. I don't even know like what I'm gonna try it on. Maybe just my skin, I don't know. Face and body oil, I don't know. I'm gonna do some reading up on it, but I just knew I wanted to try it. So exciting, so exciting. So if you haven't heard yet, let me just tell you. Lashes, baby. Farmasi finally released their lashes, okay? Okay? Like, I have been waiting for this for, I can't even tell you how long. Like, ever. Okay, these are the Lux false lashes. I'm really bad at pronouncing these. Okay, so there is this kind right here. These are called Keep It Cool. Trying to get it to focus here. So these are the ones called Keep It Cool. These are pretty natural. For me, like, I mean, you guys know I like me some big old lashes. So these would probably not be my cup of tea because I really want like the wham bam thank you ma'am kind. But if you're looking for more of like a natural type looking lash, these are probably gonna be your go-tos. Real nice and wispy. The bands on them are like super like soft, flexible. I love it. They're so comfy. I know that sounds weird, comfy, like for lashes, but there are lashes that are like really stiff on the bands and they like poke and yeah. Ugh. Anyways, those were Keep It Cool. These ones are called Magnificent. Again, these are some of the Lux, what is this right here? Lux, I don't know. But these ones are called Magnificent. So these are just a little bit more, just because of like how they're like individually like separated a little bit. So that's going to be probably just a little bit more than the Keep It Cool ones, okay? All of the ones that I'm showing you right now are $14.90. And then at beauty influencer price, we get it 50% off. Okay, so it is $7.45. And then these are the last pair of the Luxe lashes. And then there are some of the actual like minx ones too. These ones are, but these are the Luxe, last third pair. These ones are called Glamour. These would probably be the most natural I would go. I know, I'm extra. But these would probably be the most natural that I would do. Like this would be like an everyday lash that I would reach for. All right, so all of those were $14.90, okay? So these ones that I'm about to show you, the faux, the faux minx lashes here, these ones are $19.90, and then beauty influencer price, again, 50% off. So these ones are Studio Effect. These ones actually were the first ones to sell out. Okay, so these are the Studio Effects, okay? Aren't those pretty? Like, look at all those like individual lashes, so full. I don't know if you can see, but like, look how fluffy those are in there. Can you see that? Like how much they just like curl up. And they're so soft too. They are so soft. Okay, so that was Studio Effect. And then here is Wow Drama. I love Wow Drama. Okay. These ones are probably my favorite, you guys. Out of all of them, I think Wow Drama is my favorite. But they're just like so soft and feathery at the ends. That's what I like about the minx lashes, is that they're so like soft and feathery at the ends. They're very like tapered, and yeah, they're just beautiful. They look like soft little feathers on your eyes. These are the Mega Volume. And let me tell you, they Mega Volume, okay? Look at these babies. Lashes touching the heavens with these babes. Oh my God. These ones, like, if you're looking for some lashes, like some lashes. These ones, right here. Look at those. Oh my Lord. I wore the Mega Volume ones. I put them on with my my blue eyeshadow look that I did, and oh my God, it like totally completed the look. I was like, yes. So I'm thrilled. I'm a huge fan of the minx lashes, so that's kind of the ones that I lean towards. And then, you guys, they surprised us, okay? And we didn't even know until like the night before, like even the beauty influencers, none of us knew until the night before that they were also launching liquid eyeshadows at the same time that they launched the lashes. The liquid eyeshadows, you guys, sold out in like 20 minutes. I kid you not. 20 minutes. I didn't even snag all of them like in the first go around, and I was on like at midnight when they launched. Nuts. And I didn't even know why, because I was like I have never been a huge fan of liquid eyeshadows, but I will say these are super pretty. Okay, they're super pretty. So they have 7 different shades. These are the boxes here. These are the boxes they come in. Super pretty. So I am gonna go through and I'm gonna swatch these babies for you because they are gorgeous. So this is number 1, and this one is called Pop of Light, okay? Pop of Light. And they come on this, like, it looks like the concealer, okay? That's what it looks like. And it's so nice because once they dry, they are like, they do not transfer. Like, look how pretty that is. Oh my God. Okay, anyways, number 2 is called Joker. Joker. And this is actually one that like, this one sold out super quick. Actually, number 1 and 2. Pop of Light, Joker, Glow Tulip, I think sold out really fast, and Hawaiian Bronze sold out really fast. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it like this so I can see what I'm doing. This one is called Joker. And I've never actually been a fan of liquid eyeshadows, but I like how these like dry and they stay put. So look, so this one was Pop of Light. This is Joker. See how metallic-y they are? And then number 3 is Glow Tulip. Isn't that pretty? Like, the packaging just gets me. I am such a sucker for pretty packaging. Is anybody else a sucker for pretty packaging? Look at that one. You guys, these are so like iridescent and gorgeous. Like, these are really pretty to do like a nice like cut crease, do it on this inner part here. Like, it makes your eyelids pop. But they just put such a pretty shimmer on like your eyelid. So I'll have Joe put a picture of the blue look that I did. Jose, put it here, put it here. But I used the color Perlina for like the like the base of my eyelid, and oh my God, it was so pretty. Okay, this one's number 4. This one's called Gold Reflection. You guys, there's Gold Reflection. Number 5. Number 5 is Dive Into Blue. Look at this one, you guys. Is that like... Dive Into Blue. Again, all super metallic-y, right? They keep getting smaller and smaller. I drank a pot of coffee at 7 o'clock in the evening and I'm still tired. Okay, this one is called Hawaiian Bronze. There is Hawaiian Bronze right there. Like, some of these colors, I cannot wait to like use them together and blend them together because these are gonna be some pretty looks. Okay, and then the last one is Pralina. This is the one I was talking about that I used with like the, like my blue eyeshadow look where I used the Mega Volume lashes and then I used the Pralina on like the inner lid part, and oh my God, it was so pretty. So pretty. And then there is Pralina. Okay, y'all, like look how pretty those are. Okay, let's see if this is dried. Yeah. Okay, so this one is dried. So as you can see, it doesn't transfer. Okay, some of these are still, these are gonna be still wet, but like the ones that are dry, it like barely transfers, and I'm like really rubbing. Y'all, I am so excited to do looks with these. Oh my God. Okay. All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. I've kept you guys long enough, but I hope you guys kind of got a feel for some of like the new stuff. Like I said, age reversa stuff, like hands down, oh my God, try it, get it, do it. You won't regret it. Like my pores, I feel like have never like, I don't know. They just, my pores, I just feel like they're like non-existent. And I swear it's the age reversa stuff. But the Aqualine is great. It's great if you need hydration, but you don't want to get too oily. The Aqualine is amazing. And then y'all, the lashes, the liquid eyeshadows, just try them. Just do it. Just do it. Oh my gosh. Anyways, if you want to like browse anything like that, my link will be down in the description. Definitely drop questions if you have questions, or if you want to like hear a review on anything else that I got in, anything like that, let me know. But thank you guys so much for hanging with me. Thank you for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and y'all, we will see you next video. Bye guys. Hey y'all. Okay, behind the scenes after the unboxing here. Just kind of a scattered mess, you know. Look at these pretty liquid eyeshadows. Oh my God. Give you a up close view here, y'all, of the liquid shadows. Are these not like so pretty? Look how like metallic-y they are. They are so pretty. Okay, I'm done.